Nutanix Cluster Check, NCC, is a comprehensive set of tools used to monitor the overall health of a Nutanix cluster. It runs a series of checks to confirm the cluster's state, identify potential issues, and help ensure stability and availability. These checks are essential for proactive maintenance and are often one of the first things SREs review when a case is created to get a quick understanding of the cluster's status. We'll start by learning how to run an NCC health check and how to set the frequency of automatic recurring checks. Then we'll go cover some components and configurations. In Prism Element, select Health from the main drop-down menu. Then click Actions. Here you will find Run NCC Checks and Set NCC Frequency. You can select the frequency and the time you want the checks to occur. After each completion of an automated NCC check, an email can be sent with the results. When manually running the NCC, you can choose to run the complete diagnostics or opt for more specific options. The health checks cover a wide range of components and configurations, both hardware and software, core infrastructure and configuration, verifying the foundational setup of the cluster to ensure its components can work together correctly. NTP Configuration Plugin verifies the network time protocol configuration for CVMs, Prism Central VMs, and hypervisor hosts. It also checks for time drift across the cluster. Data protection and availability's key function is to ensure that data protection policies are functioning as expected and the cluster is resilient. Checkpoint snapshots confirm that automatic checkpoint snapshots have been taken recently for Metro configured protection domains. Local backup configuration verifies if recovery from a local backup is possible, ensuring that backup schedules are configured properly and running without errors. Microsoft Failover Cluster. For Hyper-V environments, NCC checks if the failover cluster is configured properly with the host. An improper setup could prevent disks from being available after a CVM or host reboot. Domain controller and DNS availability checks if all Active Directory domain controllers or DNS servers are running on the Nutanix cluster itself. If this happened, the services required to bring it back up, DNS and AD, would also be unavailable. Guest VM and NGT Health, ensuring connectivity and functionality of components within the guest VMs. NGT client certificates, monitoring the SSL certificates for guest VMs that have Nutanix guest tools, NGT, enabled. Expired certificates can break communication between the guest VM and the CVM. Please leave a comment and let us know if this was helpful. Thanks for watching.